Hey trader, I'm loaded Forex, aka no signal, no entry. In today's video, I want to show you some of the beginner's mistakes I was making when I started trading many years ago. I don't know about you, I failed and I lost many accounts when I first tried price action trading. In this video, I want to show you how I was able to correct those mistakes and explain the trading strategy that helped me to pull out money from the market every week, and I hope this will help you to master trading as well. If that sounds good, go and click on the like, subscribe and turn on the notification button, and I will see you after the intro. One of the skills you must acquire is to be able to understand where the market or the price action is heading to on the higher time frame. In this video, I'm going to use daily time frame on USD CHF. Whenever you're on the daily time frame and you realize that the price action is already at the oversold zone or overbought zone, depending on the market condition. For instance, if the price action is at the oversold zone, that shows that the sellers are already losing the strength to push the market to the downside. If the price action is at the overbought zone, it's a sign that the buyers are already losing the strength to push the price action to the upper side. The oversold zone represents the last bus stop for sellers, while the overbought zone represents the last bus stop for buyers. I'm going to start with the downtrend market analysis. When you realize that the price action is at the oversold zone, it's a sign that the sellers will not be able to continue the downtrend journey. It's a sign that the buyers will kick in to start pushing the price action to the upper side. That is sign number one. The fact that the price action is at the oversold zone, that doesn't mean you should open your MT4 or MT5 and start placing buy order. It doesn't work like that. If you approach the price action that way, you are going to lose a lot of money and you will blow so many trading accounts. Using the RSI oversold or overbought is a confirmation one. The second confirmation, you need to observe that the seller are actually at the last bus stop. They will not be able to push the price action to the downside, is change of structure. When you establish the RSI, then you need to see that the current price action, which is downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. We need to see that this downtrend structure is now bullish structure. Let's play the candlestick. At the oversold zone, the price action already changed the structure of the market to bullish, whereby we're having low, lower high, lower low, then price invalidates the last lower high. Remember, I explained that when the market is selling, the last lower high must be protected. But in a situation whereby the price action trade above this last lower high, that shows that the sellers are no longer in charge of the market. The buyers are now the one in charge of the market. When you establish this change of structure, the next thing you need to do is to establish the key level. This zone was serving as resistance before, but price action broke it right now. So it's no longer resistance anymore, it's now support. After establishing the change of structure on the daily time frame, the next thing you need to do is to scale down to the lower time frame, which is 4 hours time frame, to validate the sentiment on the daily time frame. And what you will use to validate the sentiment on the daily time frame is to establish a trend line. If you draw the trend line from this peak here down to this zone here, you will realize that the long-term downtrend line has been invalidated, which is no longer a downtrend line anymore. It's now a downtrend line breakout because the price action on 4 hours time frame already invalidated this downtrend line. Another confirmation is to activate our moving average. You realize that the price action is already trading above the 20 EMA on 4 hours as well, and also above this support key level and downtrend line breakout zone. After establishing all these factors, we need to focus our attention on our point of interest. How many confluences do we have at the point of interest? At our point of interest around this zone here, we have support key level zone, we have a downtrend line breakout, we have 20 EMA. We have 3 confluences. That makes it a valid zone for us to execute our buy position. After all this top-down market analysis, you need to scale down to 30-minute time frame for execution. And before you execute your buy position, there are signs you need to see before you press buy button on your MT4 or MT5. The first sign is volume reduction. The second sign is change of structure. Right now, the price action is already at our point of interest. You will realize that there is volume reduction at our point of interest. When the price action sold down to our point of interest, there was a weak rejection, right? There was volume reduction. Look at the momentum of the bearish candlestick that sold down to this place, and look at the next bullish candlestick that invalidated this bearish high momentum. Then price action left weak rejections around this zone here with this bullish hammer. Can you see the volume reduction, right? But we did not have change of structure when the price action first sold here. So no execution for us, because if you're able to see volume reduction and no change of structure, do not execute. You have to see these 2 signs: volume reduction and change of structure. The second time, the price action bought, then sold back to our point of interest with high momentum. Look at this high volume of bearish candlestick. Then the buyers came in and closed the candlestick with indecision, candlestick with low volume momentum. As a result of this volume reduction at our point of interest, gives us the assurance that there is tendency for buyers to finally ride the journey to the upper side. So the next thing we are waiting for is our change of structure. We need the price action on 4 hours time frame to correct to bullish structure so that we can start taking buy opportunity. Let's play the candlestick. From this swing high to this swing low, price action gave us a pullback to form lower high. We are expecting the price action to form a new lower low here, but the price action failed and created higher low. So what we are expecting now, we want the price action to break this last lower high so that it's going to correct the structure to match the daily time frame sentiment. Let's play the candlestick. Finally, the price action closed above the last lower high. We have to use our buy position order, place our stop loss here, then we target ratio 1:2. Let's play the candlestick. You can see the price action is coming back to our point of interest. Finally, the price action smashed our take profit zone. This is another bearish example on AED US dollar. Looking at the price action right now, you agree with me that the price action is already at the overbought zone. Remember, overbought zone serves as the last bus stop for buyers. Establishing this is a sign that the buyers will not be able to push the price action to the upper side anymore. Right now, we need another confirmation, which is the change of market structure. We want the price action to change from this bullish structure back to bearish structure so that we can execute sell position. Let's play the candlestick. Right now, you see realize that the price action was bullish by forming this high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high. Price came back to form equal low. Price failed to form a new higher high. Then price formed equal high, then invalidated the last higher high. So now we are now having a new low now. So what we are expecting now is price action to give us a pullback here so that we can start executing our sell sentiment. Let's establish our key level zone. This is our key level zone. It was serving as resistance here. Price broke it to the upper side, came back again, serves as support here. Then price action broke it again. It's no longer support anymore. Right now it's now resistance. So we want the price action to retrace the resistance zone here so that we can take sell opportunity. After establishing all these factors on the daily time frame, you need to scale down to 4 hours time frame to also validate the sentiment on the daily time frame. Looking at the price action on a daily time frame, you realize that the long-term uptrend line has been invalidated as well. The price action is now trading below the uptrend line breakout, trading below this resistance, trading below 20 EMA as well. Let's scale down to 30-minute time frame. On 30-minute time frame, remember I said that before you can sell on 30-minute time frame, you need two factors: volume reduction and also change of structure. We want the price action to give us a retracement at this our point of interest, then give us consolidation or volume reduction, then price to change the structure to bearish sentiment to match the sentiment on the daily time frame. Let's play the candlestick. Can you see what the price action did now? The price action mitigated our point of interest for the second time, sold again to invalidate this last higher low on 30-minute time frame. So once the price action form a bearish candlestick like this to break this last higher low, then we execute after a breakout. Let's play the candlestick. Boom, price action invalidated the last higher low on 30-minute time frame. Then we place our stop loss around this place with target ratio 1:2. Let's play the candlestick. The price action is now moving, selling in our direction. All these things are very, very important. Just follow the blueprint and the easy guide I just explained in this video. Apply it on any market pair. You realize that this system or day trading strategy works like magic on any market pair. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you can get notification when we upload another exclusive Forex video tutorial like this. See you next time.